So let's go ahead and open up our index formula. And if you don't see the formula help, you can click on the question mark. We see we have three things. We have the reference, which is our table. And so in this case, it's going to be this table right here. And then we can see we have two more things, optionally row and column. And so what we have here is this table set up with rows and columns, and I have these labeled accordingly. So 1, 1 is row 1, column 1. And then like for example here, 3, 3 is row 3, column 3. 1, 3 is row 1, column 3. And so whatever I specify here is what I'm going to get returned. And so if I do 3, 1, I'm going to get 3, 1. If I go 1, 3, I'm going to get 1, 3. And so that makes it very easy and simple to see where you're getting returned. And notice it's based on this data table. And so it's highlighted right now. So you can see 1 aligns with the first column and the row 1 aligns with that first row. So what we can do here is we can actually put these cells here instead. And then if I just change this, you can see that it changes accordingly. All right, so that's kind of interesting, but what makes index very useful is especially when you use it in relation with match. So we don't have time to fully explain match right now, but I'm going to grab this table. And then what we're going to do is we want to look up an agent and a month. And so using that same logic, I'm going to do a match, and this is going to be for our, if we go back here to our row, so we want to match our row, which is our agent. And so let's go ahead and pick this. We're going to match our agents, 0 for exact match, and that's going to return our, let's just do number 1 for the column. That's going to return 1, 1. So Riley is in the first row. Now if we change this to Zoe, you can see now we're in 3, 1. And so what this match is doing is it's looking for this Zoe text inside of our agent column. And so instead of looking for the number like we were in the original index, now we're looking for this name and uses match to return a number. It's actually returning 3. And so to get this fully dynamic, we just need to exchange this 1 for another match formula. And this time we're going to match the month. And so again, we're going to look in these months, 0 for exact match, close this out, and now we have a working index match formula. And so we're going to return the value from this table for our agent and month selection. And so you can follow these numbers across. And so right now we have Zoe, which is row 3, and April, which is column 4. So we change this to December, for example. You can see we're still in row 3 with Zoe, and now we're in 12 for December. Now if we change to Riley, we should be back in row 1, and there you can see, just like that.